These birds that fly without making a sound. And the last one is mind-blowing. Number 3, the owl. With finely serrated wings that break and soften the airflow, the owl becomes the world's quietest flyer. This perfect soundless glide helps it hunt at night without alerting even the sharpest eared prey. Number 2, the barn owl. With soft, velvety wings that smooth and disperse airflow, the barn owl glides through complete darkness without making a sound, allowing it to approach its prey undetected with unmatched stealth. Before I tell you the last one, if you're not an alien, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. Only good humans can do it, aliens won't. Number 1, the long-eared owl. Equipped with unique air-absorbing pockets beneath its wings, this owl glides silently across the night sky, moving with incredible stealth and precision, making it nearly impossible for prey to detect its approach.